afternoon now here in Burundi, and I'm super hungry. I'm going for a special traditional dish here in Burundi with nyama choma. Come along with me. Wanaita ububamu with nyama choma. You can eat also with the parachichi. Let's go ahead and see. This is the major transport over here, but they are not allowed to enter into the city. And we are here outside the city. We are going where local people eat. We want to get the local pricing, family. I don't have enough cash to eat at fancy restaurants. People trying to pour some urine. Let's go ahead and enjoy that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The meat is being grilled. Basi nyama inachomwa hapa jamani. Nyama inachomwa. Nyama ya ng'ombe sio? Na huwa inaliwa na ugali. Na hiyo nini? Ubuhami ni unakuwa ni ugali wa muhogo, ugali wa nini?
Ugali wa muhogo na roe.
Na uloe. Katwa. The meat is being divided into portions, and you can see our ugali. We got it over here already. Some onions as well as lemon. Na hii inaitwa nini? Magi. With magi here. I don't know magi in English. What is it known? So we're gonna have this dish and try with you, family. Haya, ulisema huu ugali wa muhogo unatengenezwaje?
Unachemsha mihogo.
Mihogo inachemshwa baada ya kutoka shambani. Sawa.
Wanautwanga mkino.
Sawa. Ikiwa mikavu vile vile wanaitwanga.
Wanaichemsha maji.
Kwenye maji. Baadaye ukishaichemsha ikichemka wanaitwanga kwenye tini. Wakimaliza wanaikamua.
Wanaifunga pasi moja sasa.
Na inapikwaje sasa? Hivyo
tu basi.
Asante. So how this dish is made is totally different. So after the cassava has ripened and it has been harvested, so the cassava after removing or peeling off of the covers, so those fresh cassava will be boiled into water. After they have been boiled and at a maximum temperature, after that time now they'll have to be put in kinu and watatwanga, will be grinded. After being grinded it will be dried. After being dried it will be put or separated into small portions, which are the one which appear to look like this, small portions. They roll it and it looks this way, you see, kwa kutumia majani ya mgomba. Kwa hiyo umeshapikwa tayari, ulichemshwa kwenye maji, baadaye ukaja ukatwangwa. Baada ya kutwangwa ukafungwa nini taratibu kwa kutumia majani. Na unaweza ukakaa siku ngapi kabla ya kuharibika?
Hata mwezi unafanya hapo kwa majani.
It can stay even for a month in these leaves without being destroyed. Family in Africa, never underestimate. Tunachanganyaje? Hiyo umesema inaitwa maga, si ndio? Magi. So the food has been already prepared and it is time for family for me to taste it for you. Bismillah, let's start. The test is on point. On point, family.
Kweli mkaushi kweli. Unaanza na kula mboga.
Sawa.
Alafu kisha kula mboga.
Unachukua nyama.
Unachukua nyama, ukimaliza kuchukua nyama ndio unashushia na ule ugali.
Na ugali unaingiza kinywani kwanza, unatafuna. Halafu
unaingiza ugali.
Asante dada. Baada ya masomo tushafundishwa na dada yetu hapa. So after class now we have to try to eat it as exactly how do they eat, step by step. So the first step, in order to eat it well, you have to take the meat. You take this meat, you mix with these onions with maga, which is also like a soup now. Then after there is whereby you put in the mouth, you chew it. Before swallowing, you take the ugali and you put inside, you swallow together. Let's try that and see the taste, how it goes. Taking a little bit small. Now we put into the mouth to chew first. You can get the taste of the meat first, then you get our ugali and you chew together. Its taste is amazing, is marvelous, guys. If you eat it by following the steps. So, further eating. Further eating, you take the meat, you mix with some onion which were mixed with mega, and you put into the mouth. You take our ugali. You put together into the mouth. You chew together is where you can get the taste, because here there's a little bit of lemon and maga, and these onions were now like I'm not sure, so now they're just sweet as normal. Basi nikatie. These are street food, the cassava farming. Let me try them with groundnuts. These are cooked groundnuts, those are fresh, also cooked one, but peeled already. Za 200. Ziko wapi?
Nataka hizi.
Naomba hivi.
Vipi?
Ndo nakula vipi? How do you eat? You eat first a cassava like this fresh, and after there you eat with groundnuts. Let's try that. So the way you see this, it has its own cover here which has been peeled off, and it leaves barely empty-handed cassava like this. Bismillah. A small bite for our cassava with groundnuts. Super tasty, family. You should try it whenever you are at Bujumbura, anywhere. Cassava, muhogo na karanga. Groundnuts can be the one which are fried or dried, different, but the one which I got, this one, are raw groundnuts.